Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss one nice Windows 11 feature that could help you manage your file productively. So here I have one Excel sheet. You can see its title is Bill Paying Checklist. If I want to know the file extension, it is not currently showing me that. If I want to know about this, I have to do right click and then went to its properties to check like what is the current file format, like the type of the file extension is XLSX. I want this piece of information on the same icon. So for to getting that particular file extension, we have to go to your file explorer, open it, and under view option, you will see this small drop down arrow button. Click here, go to show, and here you will find this file name extension. Currently it is not active. Just mark it and make this active. So after activating, it will show a check mark here. Once done, minimize this window, and now you can see my file extension is showing up here in my Microsoft Excel sheet icon. There is one more way to get this file extension here. So you have to go to file extension here. Either you can open from your taskbar or you can use shortcut window key like window and E button, E for Explorer. So you press that together to open this file explorer, and here you can see this see more three dots here. Come here, click it, and click here on options. This will open up one folder option window. Go to view tab and then scroll down, hide extensions for the known file type. If you will uncheck and hit apply, then it will unhide all the extension of the known file types. And also from here, if you check this, like if I check this and hit apply, it will hide my file extension back again. So I clicked OK, minimizing it, and now file extension got hide again. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope this tip will help you. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Take care.